Gonna make a Graham mango cake. Of course, main ingredients, grahams. I have 2 pack of grahams here. This one is cinnamon and this one is honey flavor. So graham biscuits. And then I have 5 mangoes here. 5 mangoes. And I have 2 condensed milk. And because I couldn't find a nasal cream in the store, I'm gonna replace with coconut milk. So instead of, because this one is very thick, so I'm gonna replace, instead of nasal cream, I'm gonna use coconut milk and marshmallow. So I'm gonna drizzle with marshmallow the Graham's cake. So watch and learn. And yeah, so bear with me, watch and learn how to make a very easy Graham cake. I'm gonna use a Pyrex glass because this one has a lid. So it's better to use always the thing or any plates that has lid. Of course, you have to peel your mango. If you have peeler, much better. It's easy, but if you don't have peeler, just use a knife. I'm faster peeling like this, facing to me the sharp knife, not going out. Now the 5 mangoes done peeling. So we have to cut this. We have to slice this very thin for the grahams. And now let's do arrangement here for the grahams. Wrong. Oh, so we have to and then we have to slice a mango, put on the grahams. So you have to slice it very thin. And then put it there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix the coconut milk and the condensed milk. I'm gonna mix it together, so it's gonna balance the sweetness. So need to mix together the milk and the coconut milk to blend the taste. I use this one because it's easy. There's a point on there too. Now it's mixed well already. The coconut milk and the condensed milk. So let's set aside and continue our. So this is the first layer. I'm gonna add the second layer now. I'm gonna make 3 layers. Oh, it's broken. Nadurog, sayang. So we can put some for the second layer. Some of the mixed coconut milk and condensed. Before we gonna add the third layer, because this is second layer already. So now I'm gonna put another mango. And then I'm gonna add another grahams for the third layer. So for the third layer, for the third and last layer, medyo malalaki pala itong isang klase. Kailangan kasi yan. So after third layer, I'm gonna add the marshmallow as a decoration. So I'm putting the mixed coconut milk and condensed milk on the top of this third layer before I add the marshmallow. Or I'm gonna add more mango on it. I'm gonna add more mango. So let's put the mango on the top. Then I'm gonna put the marshmallow. I think just mango is fine. But I would like to have a marshmallow on it as a design. So the 5 mango, I'm gonna finish the 5 mango already. Almost. Well, now let's put the marshmallow. Let's put the marshmallow on top. Ayusin natin ang konti. I think I can put more of this. I'm gonna make it 4 layers. Instead of 3 layers, I'm gonna make it 4 layers. Because I still have a mix coconut milk and yeah, it's good the marshmallow is on the middle. Yan, ay, naduro pa din. Yan. Para pantay siya. And then, gonna put this on the top. Oh. Sorry, it's still being done. And then, after that, put the lid, of course. Then, put the lid. And then, you can put in the fridge. There you go. Looks good on the bottom. So, put in the fridge. Put already in the fridge. After maybe 6 hours, it's gonna be really soft. And I'm gonna show you too. So let's try my cake, my Graham's cake. It is stick on the lid, that's why it's kind of natuklap yung ibabaw. But the real color is like this though. So let's try on this area. Look at that.
It is the college. Versus like UW is like in Seattle, so you have access right there to like all of Seattle. like trains, public transit, everything, which is fantastic.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
probably
Portland's, like,
closer
in the
to
city.
Portland style, right?
Yeah.
It's in the city.
It is in the city, but it's very much its own separate. Like you step on the campus and it feels like its own.
So that's how it looks like when you cut it.
Classically in the city, like integrated into the city. Versus
Gotcha.
UW has access to the city and it's right there, but it's very much its own entity. It's beautifully green.
So look
And
at
I
the
never shoot it because I
color
hate this
of
stuff. I
my
really feel like coming to
Graham's
Washington,
mango
like,
cake. It's
and
so
so
good. It
some
tastes so
pictures
good.